Hi, welcome to Mentors for You. Today we will be looking at the second part of international organizations. If you have not watched the first part, then please go and click the link below and watch. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. So let's begin. Earlier we were looking at United Nations. So the UN system is made up of the UN itself. It means the six main organs and many affiliated programs, funds, specialized agencies, all with their own membership, leadership, and budgets. We have completed six main organs in the first part. What left is programs, funds, and specialized agencies. So today we will be looking at some important funds and programs. The important funds and programs are UNICEF, UNFPA, UNDP, UNEP, UN Habitat, WFP. We will discuss about each of the funds and programs in detail. First is UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund, or United Nations Children's Emergency Fund. It was created by the United Nations General Assembly in 1946 to provide emergency food and health care to children and mothers in the countries that had been devastated by World War II. A 36-member board establishes policies, approves programs, and oversees administrative and financial plans. The members are government representatives who are elected by the United Nations Economic and Social Council, usually for 3-year terms. UNICEF relies on contributions from governments and private donors. Its headquarters is in New York. The supply division of UNICEF is based in Copenhagen, Denmark. UNICEF serves as the primary point of distribution for such essential items as vaccines, antiretroviral medicines for children and mothers with HIV, nutritional supplements, emergency shelters, family reunification, and educational supplies. Next is UNFPA, United Nations Population Fund. Its mission is to deliver a world where every pregnancy is wanted, every childbirth is safe, and every young person's potential is fulfilled. In 2018, UNFPA launched efforts to achieve 3 transformative results. The 3 transformative results are: 1. Ending unmet need for family planning. 2. Ending preventable maternal death. 3. Ending gender-based violence and harmful practices. The headquarters of United Nations Population Fund is at New York. Next is UNDP, United Nations Development Program. It is UN's global development network and was established in 1965 by the General Assembly of the United Nations. It provides expert advice, training, and grant support to developing countries. UNDP Executive Board consists of representatives from 36 countries around the world who serve on a rotating basis. It is funded entirely by voluntary contributions from member nations. It is central to the United Nations Sustainable Development Group. Next is UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme. Its headquarters is in Nairobi, Kenya. It is a global environment authority that sets the global environmental agenda and promoting the coherent implementation of the environmental dimension of sustainable development within the United Nations system. It was founded by the UN General Assembly in June 1972. UNEP, along with World Meteorological Organization, established an intergovernmental panel on climate change (IPCC) in 1988 to assess climate change based on the latest science. The secretariats for the following MEAs, multi-environmental agencies, are currently being hosted by the UNEP. So let's see the multi-environmental agencies one by one. First, the Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD. Second, Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of wild fauna and flora. Third, Convention on Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals. Vienna Convention for the Protection of Ozone Layer. Fifth is the Minamata Convention on Mercury. Sixth is the Basel Convention on Control of Transboundary Movements of Hazardous Waste and their Disposal. Seventh is the Stockholm Convention on Persistent Organic Pollutants. Eighth is the Rotterdam Convention on the Prior Informed Consent procedure for certain hazardous chemicals and pesticides in international trade. Let's go to the next program, UN Habitat or United Nations Human Settlement Program. This program works towards the better urban future. Its mission is to promote socially and environmentally sustainable human settlements, development, and achievement of adequate shelter for all. It was established in 1978 and is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. The next program is World Food Program WFP. It was established in 1963 by FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, which we will be looking in the next session, and United Nations General Assembly. It is a leading humanitarian organization for saving and changing lives, delivering food assistance in emergencies, and working with communities to improve nutrition and build resilience. So that's all for today. The next session we will be looking into some specialized agencies of the United Nations. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.